Xiamen Hendery Trade Company Limited is one professional wall clock supplier in Xiamen, China. The factory produces the kinds of sizes plastic wall clock. In order suitable the market, we expand variety of wall decorations and wall clocks. In the meantime, our R&D team also regularly push out a new design to meet the different needs of customers. We provide flexible customization service, include logo, color, clock frame, clock dial, and so on. Specially, we have kinds of 24-inch and 30-inch large sizes design. All product is widely sold for supermart, discount store, gift shop. All our products are past the CE, RoHS, FCC testing. All material will be testing before production to make sure the quality. All export products must meet the standards of environmental protection, water resistance, and accurate travel time. We have professional QC support, strict inspection standards, and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects, sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world, including Europe, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. Our associated factor are equipped with the automatic production line. We can supply at least 10,000 pieces powers per day. We are reliable supplier of the kinds of wall clock. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.